The final match. It was a sunny Saturday afternoon in the small town of Maplewood. The excitement in the air was electric as the local soccer team, the Maplewood Eagles, prepared for the final match of the season. Fans filled the stands, wearing bright blue and yellow jerseys, cheering for their team. Among the players was Sam, a 16-year-old boy who had been practicing hard all year. He dreamed of scoring the winning goal. As the match began, the Eagles faced their toughest opponents, the River City Tigers. Both teams played fiercely, and the score was tied at 1-1 by halftime. During the break, the coach, Mr. Thompson, gave an inspiring speech. "Remember, teamwork is the key. Trust each other and play with your hearts." Sam felt a rush of determination. He wanted to make his team proud. In the second half, the game became more intense. The Tigers scored another goal, making it 2-1. The Eagles were discouraged, but Sam encouraged his teammates. "We can do this. Let's keep fighting." With renewed energy, they pushed forward. Finally, in the last minutes of the game, Sam saw an opportunity. He received a perfect pass from his teammate Lily. With all his strength, he kicked the ball towards the goal. It soared past the goalkeeper and into the net. The crowd erupted with cheers. The final score was 2-2, but in the end, it felt like a victory. Sam and his teammates celebrated together, knowing they had given their best. That day, they learned that sports were not just about winning, but about friendship and teamwork.